Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are okay. Today I will show you how to operate Scanfrost washing machine. And this washing machine is just a wash section only. It doesn't contain a spin, it's just a mini washing machine that contains just a wash section. So today I'm going to show you how to operate it. So this regulator indicates the time you want to wash your clothes, so it has different times. But before then, I'm going to show you this drum. This is the drum for the washing machine. So you put in water. After putting in water, you add your soap. You can use different method of putting in water. Manually, you can just get a bucket or a hose to transfer water in it, or you tell a plumber to connect a water sector for you. So now I want to go over to this regulator right here. This regulator is for now this plug that I'm going to show you now. You have to plug it to electricity first, after which you put it in the socket. You turn on the socket. Now this regulator that I'm showing you, that I want to show you now, is the time regulator. It indicates the time you want to wash your clothes. The maximum there you see is 15 minutes. So if the clothes washes for 15 minutes and it's not okay by you, and it gets to the point of 0 on its own, you can always take it back to 15 minutes again, or whatever time you want to put it. So that's for the time regulator. So I'm going to go over to the next regulator. Now this hose that I'm pointing at right now is to drain the used water out of the washing machine. So I'm going to show you how to use it. This part of the regulator, when you turn right, you see drain there. So if you want to drain, like I said before, you turn to your right. When you turn to your right, it allows the water, the wastewater, to flow out through this drain hose that I told you about. So if you want to drain it out, you can as well use a little bowl to remove the dirt water out of it, or you use tell a plumber to fix a waste pipe for you. So this upper part is for the kind of clothes you want to wash. This one here said soft, so it's for tender fabric. If your clothes are tender fabric, you put it in that soft, and if it's normal, just leave it in the normal section there. So this is how to just operate this wash only washing machine. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Cashier.